Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm back with a project share for Craft Supplies for You design team. And I have made another fabric book, but this one is a little different. This one is all hot air balloons, and I was inspired by this fabric I have in my stash. And I actually got this fabric at a garage sale, and I just love it. It's so fun. I don't have a lot of it left. It was not a huge piece, but I really wanted to use it to make a book. It's super pretty, and there's the other side as well, so you could use either side, but I used this side. And I actually ended up cutting out one of the hot air balloons as well, which I'll show you. So that is my inspiration for this project. And I made the whole base out of that, and you can see some of it coming through here. And then on the back, there's the hot air balloon that I cut out, and I put it on one of these cool doilies that I had in my stash. And then I added this trim here from KS4U, and some crochet trim and dangles, beautiful things from KS4U. And then I went along the top with this really pretty flower trim from KS4U. So that goes all the way to the front. And then I called this book Love is in the Air, and of course, being this time of year, close to Valentine's, I cut out a heart from the same material, and I just put Love is in the Air there. And I made a little bow out of this beautiful vintage ribbon from my stash and some bling from KS4U. This flower trim here that I have on the heart is from KS4U. And then the image I got from the internet, and I got some really pretty images. I was really pleased what I found. They're all flower sort of related, all of the hot air balloon images, and they have basically, I think they're all vintage Valentines from the Victorian era. So I was really pleased that I was able to tie that in with my fabric. So this was the first image, and it's got a heart on it, of course. And oh, I wanted to mention too that I used this beautiful rosette trim from KS4U, and Julie still has some of this in stock, and she's restocking the cream, and that'll be in the store soon. So I used these two crochet pieces, which were from my friend Antoinette Spiteri, and she sent me those, and they already had the little hearts in them, so I added those there. And I used more of that flower trim from KS4U to edge the image. This trim, ruffle trim here, is from KS4U, as is this trim that's up here at the top. This cute little hot air balloon charm, also from KS4U, so I was really happy about that. And these beautiful blue loopy flowers that, oh my gosh, I love, love, love these flowers. These come on a ribbon, and Julie has them in lots of different colors, and I love the blue, and there's another one down there as well. And then this beautiful trim, and then this one also from KS4U. So I think that's basically the front. And then you open it up, and I created a pocket, and again you can see the back side of that fabric there. I used all these trims here from KS4U, and this, including this beautiful rose patterned one at the bottom. I angled a pocket here with this lovely cotton lace from Julie's store, so it's a really nice deep pocket there. And then I used this little applique from my stash and another of those blue loopy flowers, which I love. And then here is the first page, and I love this image because I love butterflies. And this hot air balloon is all made out of butterflies, and I just thought that's got to be my first page. So I edged it with some gorgeous, gorgeous appliques from KS4U, and it's just this beautiful silk piece here, like silk stitched applique. And I've added dangles here, and this trim is from my stash, this little one. And then this applique is from KS4U. This applique here, this flower one, also from KS4U. Another little loopy flower and hot air balloon charm from KS4U. These little flowers are from my stash. This little butterfly charm here, and it's on a hanger and it says Friends, that's from KS4U, and the bling butterfly is from my stash. So that's that page. And then here we have the middle, and I love these two images. They're both just beautiful. This one's a hydrangea, and this one I believe is like a pom-pom mum, like chrysanthemum, and pink, and in the periwinkle color. So I went along the bottom with lots of dangles from KS4U, just layered and layered and layered. And then I put this beautiful pink dangle beaded trim from Julie's store, and I believe these beads are glass. It's pretty heavy and they're cold, so I think it might be glass, but you know, I could be wrong. But it's just so beautiful. I love that. I'm not sure if she still has any in stock. I think she does, but I'm not sure. But it's just gorgeous. I just adore it. Look at the beads on the bottom. They're so pretty. So I put that down, and then I put this kind of round trim here just to pick up on the round shape here in the hot air balloons. More loopy flowers here in the mauve and in the pale pink. This trim here that I went all the way around, it is double layered. It's got like an organza and a lace, and then it's got pearls on it as well. And you can see it here. It's just a beautiful, beautiful trim. And then I added these two large flower appliques from KS4U and the bling from KS4U. I went around the image here and here with this beaded silk stitch trim from KS4U, and then this trim here and here is also from KS4U. So that's those two pages. And then this page is in the mint green. And again, lots of trims and dangles from KS4U. I love this one. This one is so pretty. It's in like a cream color, so I love that. And again, more dangles there. This is a Venice from Julie's store, as is this one underneath here. So lots of pretty dangles in her store. And I loved this one because it's the dandelion when it goes to seed and all the pieces are flying off. So I thought that was such a cool image. So I used this, and I put this trim at the top here, and I used the little green clay flowers all the way along on both pages. And these flowers here, the mint green, were from my swap with Jane Marge, and I added little tiny white clay flowers to their centers. Little seam binding bow with another hot air balloon charm from Julie's store. And I just went across with the same laces on both of these pages. Here's another pocket with that same trim that I used on the front pocket. I made a little ribbon pink flower, and I used this beautiful stick pin from my friend Karen Billinger. Hi Karen. And I put that there. I just wanted more of the round shape again to pick up on the round shape of the balloon. So this was perfect, and I loved the bling. And I cut a piece of that beautiful rose trim from KS4U and used it as a applique there. And then of course you can see along the top all this beautiful loopy flowers, as we call them, in the mint green. And Julie is out of stock on the mint green, but she has more. She will be putting them in the store in the next week, so she is restocking these. So yay, because everybody loves those. And then this little trim here with the sequins is also from KS4U. And I used some GIMP trim from KS4U just in the middle page there, just to kind of finish the page off and edge it. And this little dangle trim here too, this white one, it's so pretty, is from KS4U. Oh, and there's my cat meowing at a bird. So that is my hot air balloon book. And love is in the air, as we all know at this time of year. So I hope that you like this and that you will leave me a comment below in the description box. And this will also be in my store, my Zibit store, for sale soon. And the links for Craft Supplies for You, where you can get all this gorgeous, lush, beautiful stuff, are in the description box as well. So please do go and check out Julie's store, and don't forget that there is coupons as well. There's a if you spend $50, you get free shipping, international as well as US. And if you spend over $30, you get a 20% discount. So make sure you use your coupons when you check out. And that's my book for now, and I will be back with another project share soon. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.